Hey everyone, Dan here at the Agitate Training Center. Today I want to talk about decontamination. Decontamination and what it is, why it happens, and what product you want to use. And today let's start off with Optimum FerreX. Optimum FerreX is your iron deposit remover. This product has a specific design to it to dissolve those products off of the surface when they are present. It is a product that will also break down waxes and sealants and very minute of loosening of the tar that may be on the surface from everyday driving. So what does that mean in the decontamination process by using this product? This product is designed that when there are iron particulates present, it changes colors so that you know that you have those contaminants on the surface to remove. So as an added bonus with Optimum FerreX, you can use this as a clay lube. Because of its chemistry, it creates an extra lubricity surface so that the clay towel or clay bar will glide over the surface and help you finalize that decontamination process. Thanks guys, this is Dan at the Agitate Training Center, and I will see you guys in the next video.